Alright guys, we're looking for 5 golden wrenches. You're going to find the first one here at Dirty Docks. And then we're going to head over to Steamy Stacks. You're going to see it right here on top of the pipe here on the building between the two stacks. Hope you saw it there, it went by real quick. And now we're going to head over to the lighthouse. And there it is right there by the light, kind of hard to see. And then we're going to head over there next to the oil rig. Wrench number 4 right down here in the middle of this little village on this pipe structure. There it is. And then we're going to head over here not too far, and there's going to be a pipe man sitting on the side of the cliff there. And you're going to see the wrench there sitting there next to his knee. He's holding it there in his hand. And there you have it. There's the 5 wrenches.